Welcome to my channel today. I'll show you how to add an equation in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. Whether you need to create a mathematical formula for a school assignment, report, or professional document, Word includes built-in equation tools. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer and create a new document or open an existing document where you want to add an equation. Next, click on the Insert tab in the Word dashboard. Then, look for the Symbols section and click on Equation. From the Equation menu, you can choose an existing equation from the available options. Click on More Equations from Office to explore additional equation templates and choose one that matches your needs. After selecting an equation, it will appear in your document. You can click inside the equation to edit the numbers, letters, or mathematical expressions. When the equation is selected, Word displays additional equation tools in the dashboard. Here, you can find many useful mathematical symbols and structures, including fractions, superscripts, subscripts, radicals, integrals, brackets, and other mathematical elements. You can select these options to customize your equation and create the exact formula you need. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others who may find it useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.